Hey, I'm Lauren Beck. I'm super excited to dive a little deeper and show you some techniques that I use with my Crayola adult coloring products. The concept of layering is really simple. We are just going to add layers of color on top of one another. But one thing to note is to use the lightest color first and layer with the darker colors. That's because if you started with a dark color, you would not be able to see the lighter colors over top. Okay, to start, I'm going to be placing down my base layer with my lightest color. With this picture, I would like to add stone details to the building. So I'll begin with my lightest base color and create a first layer go. I'm making sure to use my brush tip of the alcohol marker to get in those little spaces. And you can do that because the brush tip has a very fine point. If you notice any streaky areas, that just probably means that you need to take another pass with your base color. If your colors are looking a little dark, that's okay. They dry lighter, so just keep going and trust the process. Okay, so I've laid my base color down, but I'm going to wait a few moments to allow this to dry. If I were to go in with my darker colors, I would get a bleed happening. But because I want this to be detailed, I'm going to allow it to dry. All right, now that it has dried a bit, I'm ready to go in with my darker colors to add the stone detail. I want to leave some of the original color showing through to create contrast and some visual interest. So don't color the entire area, we're just adding details. So now I'm going to come in with another color that is also darker than my base color, just for added interest. Don't forget, you can also use the tiny end with tinier details. So I can come in and add extra little pebbles in here. By building color and pattern and detail one step at a time, you can really add personality and interest without a lot of extra work. Try experimenting with different textures and making something that's uniquely yours. Happy creating!